Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily lower your audio volume in Premiere Pro. So to start with, you just want to have your project open and drag it into your timeline. And there's actually a couple different ways to do this, and it will basically depend on what your goal is. So if you're just trying to lower the volume of a clip, say you had a 30-second clip like this long, and you just wanted to lower just this bit. Start with, you just want to head into your effects controls panel. If you can't find this anywhere, you want to click Windows and make sure effects controls is ticked. If not, this will not show. And then from here, you can just lower the level. So we can put -10 if we want it a bit quieter, for example. But we also want to make sure that keyframing is not on. We want to make sure it's lowered across the whole clip. Hello, welcome back. So that's now 10 decibels quieter than the rest of the footage. Now the second way to do it like that is to scroll down here. And as you will see, this line appears, and this is basically for the volume. So what we can do is we can also lower it like this, if this is easier for you. So you can raise it or lower it however much you like, down to -999 decibels. But the third and final way to do this is if you wanted to drop the audio across your whole timeline. Let's say this was all my footage and it was all cut up into little bits, and I didn't want to go and manually go across each one and lower the volume. That would take ages. The way to do this would be to go into your audio bit here. So you just want to click shift and scroll until this little icon pops up. And then when you see this, you want to click on it, and automatically it'll be set to clip keyframes. You want to hover over track keyframes and then select volume. And as you can see, that turned all them different lines into one line. So now we can raise or lower this exactly how we want, and it will raise all our audio across the entire timeline. So if you've already cut up your clips and you're then going back and realizing that it's too quiet, this would be the best method for you. You can simply just get this line and you can raise it a little bit or lower it a little bit if it's too loud, and you should be able to get your audio sounding pretty good from there. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please comment down below that it helped, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.